Have you ever found yourself clicking the same button repeatedly, wondering why nothing happens, or struggling to find a simple feature that should be obvious? If so, you're not alone. This kind of frustration is far more common than most people realize. Right now, somewhere in the world, a brilliant product is dying. Not because the technology failed, but because someone couldn't find a simple back button. This is a story of how we saved content flow, our AI solution for subtitle generation, from becoming another statistic. More importantly, it's your blueprint for identifying whether your interface is converting customers or slowly killing your business. I'm Vinicius Ferreira, and for 15 years, I've specialized in UX, UI design, usability, and human-centered computing. And I've watched the same pattern repeat. Company invest millions in powerful technology, then wrap these technologies in interface that makes users feel stupid. And hear what that costs. PwC found that 32% of customers abandon a brand they loved after just one bad experience. Not three strikes, one. So let me show you what failure looks like before it destroys your conversion funnel. Looking at the first version of Content Flow, the technology was flawless, but the UX was a nightmare. The layout was a screaming generic template. You know, the kind every SaaS tool looks identical, and yours get lost in a sea of sameness. This isn't just aesthetics. Studies show that first impressions are 94% influenced by design, and users form those impressions in under 500 milliseconds. The UI copy undermines user confidence through ambiguous headline and identical CTA buttons, get started free, and signing, leaving users unsure about system outcomes and benefits. The landing page violated every conversion principle. No compelling headline, no social proof, no strategic CTAs well positioned, no FAQ addressing objections before they killed conversions. So we are asking for trust without earning it. The account creation flow revealed even deeper problems. Form validation triggered only after users clicked create account. No password strength indicator, leading to allow weak passwords. No password visibility toggle, leading users to type blindly. The sign-in page lacked password recovery. Think about that. We built an AI system sophisticated enough to process multiple languages, but we could implement a simple forgot password link. This is the kind of disconnect across products. The main dashboard is an example of poor information architecture. No search functionality, meaning that users should scroll to find videos. No sorting, meaning no way to organize by date, for example. No thumbnails, making all videos look identical in the list. No pagination at all. These features are fundamental usability requirements. When users can't find their content, the product feels broken regardless of how well the AI performs. The details page had these issues. Missing visual cover images, no subtitle editing. This means that we built a subtitle generator that couldn't help users edit the output. So this is like selling a car without a steering wheel. With this usability inspection complete, we have found failures across both functional and non-functional requirements. But here's the critical insight that shaped our redesign strategy. We aren't competing against other subtitle tools. We are competing against user expectations formed by every well-designed product they have used before, from their banking app to their grocery delivery service. You must match the experience quality of entire different industries because users carry those expectations everywhere. Knowing that, I began investigating well-succeeded solutions, collecting ideas not just from subtitle tools, but from file management systems, creative platforms, and project management software. The redesign followed core principles based on conversion-centered design research. We rewrote every piece of copy to answer 3 questions. What is this? What can I do here? What happens next? We also avoid metaphors, marketing fluff to provide clear value. We replace generic buttons such as Get Started Free with descriptive CTAs. For example, upload video file. Research shows that prescriptive CTAs reduce uncertainty and increase conversion rates by up 30%. We added social proof at decision points. For that, we could use customer logos, but we used numbers instead. For example, processing more than 10,000 videos monthly. The FAQ section addressed most common objections. This single addition has huge potential to reduce support requests. Main dashboard transformation focused on giving users a sense of control and efficiency. We added thumbnail previews so users could identify videos visually, search functionality and sorting options for relevant parameters, pagination to maintain performance regardless of library size. These features follow established design patterns from platforms like Google Drive and Dropbox. Patterns that users already understand, reducing their cognitive load to 0. The details page received the most dramatic redesign because it's where users spend more time. We added new features such as the multi-language with title editor, a prominent video preview with timestamp synchronization. So those changes were crucial to create a workflow that fits to the user needs. But let me give you the uncomfortable truth. These improvements don't guarantee success. They guarantee you won't fail from preventable reasons. Now the $1 million question. Is your UI converting or driving away customers? Because here's the reality. You can have the best technology in the world, but if people can't easily use it, they will prefer another solution with a better UX. So pay attention if your conversions are low, or if users are not completing user flows, or if you're getting a lot of how to use support questions. Maybe your problem is design. So if you want an analysis of your interface, there's a link in the description for a 30 minutes consultation. I will review your UI and UX and show you exactly where the friction points are and how to solve them. Then I will give you a practical framework to increase your conversion. And in the next video, Aline will show you how she turns beautiful designs into code that works perfectly on any device. Until then, remember, technology impresses developers, but UX wins over users. If you want to talk more about UI and UX, please add me on LinkedIn or send me an email.